Hello crochet lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we're going to learn how to crochet amigurumi ball with simple instruction. If you're new to this channel, please go and check out the video. It will be very helpful for you. Before starting our video, if you think I am explaining very slowly, you can increase the speed of the video in the setting. Come, let's start our video. I'm using 3.5mm hook and normal cotton yarn. Begin with magical circle. After magical circle, chain 1. This chain 1 indicates as 1 single crochet. After chain 1, continue with 5 single crochets. Totally we need 6 single crochets in this round 1. After 6 single crochet, close the circle by pulling the yarn tail. Now insert the hook on the first stitch and continue with the second round. We are not going to put a split stitch. 1 single crochet on the first stitch. Now mark this first stitch with the stitch marker. Now we are going to increase this round. On the first stitch, again insert the hook and do another single crochet. In each and every stitch we need 2 single crochets. Totally we will get 12 single crochets in this round 2. After completing this, insert the hook on the first stitch. Again continue with the round 3, 1 single crochet on the first stitch. Don't forget to mark first stitch in each and every round. In next stitch, 1 increase stitch. 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. After the increase stitch, 1 single crochet in next stitch. Again increase stitch in next stitch. Like this we are going to continue all over this round. Totally we will get 18 single crochets at the end of this round. After completing this, again insert the hook on the first stitch and 1 single crochet. Do round 4. Now 1 single crochet in next stitch. In next stitch is increase stitch. And next 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. Now next stitch is increase stitch. Like this we are going to repeat all over this round. 1 single crochet in 2 stitches and increase stitch. Again 1 single crochet in 2 stitches. Repeat this all over this round. Totally we want 24 single crochets end of this round. After completing this, again insert the hook on the first stitch, chain 1, mark it. In this round 5, we are going to do 1 single crochet in 3 stitches. We completed in 1 stitch. Now continue 1 single crochet in 2 stitches. After completing 3 stitches, the next stitch is increase stitch. Again 1 single crochet in 3 stitches. Again 1 increase stitch. Like this we are going to repeat all over this round. Totally we need 30 single crochets in this round 5. We completed 1 single crochet. Now do 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. Total in 4 stitches we need 1 single crochets. After this, one increase stitch. After increase stitch, one single crochet in next 4 stitches. Again increase stitch. Like this we are going to repeat all over this round. Totally we need 36 single crochets in this round 6. From here we are not going to do any increase stitch. From this round 7 to round 11 we are going to do one single crochet in each and every stitches. Remember not to do any increase stitch in from here. Only one single crochet in each and every round till round 11. Totally 36 single crochets have to be in this round end. After complete round 11, it will be like this, like a semicircle. Now we are going to close this magical circle and serve this with the needle. That's all. Cut the yarn and leave this yarn as it is. Now we are going to start our round 12. From here we are going to decrease our round. One single crochet in next 4 stitches. After 4 single crochets, now we are going to put our decrease stitch. Now we have 2 loops here. In the front loop along, insert the hook. Now again on the next stitch, insert the hook on the both the loop. That's all. Now yarn over, pull the yarn on the 3 loops. First 2 loops and front loop. That's all. Now yarn over, pull a loop. We got our invisible decrease stitch. After this, one single crochet in next 4 stitches. After 4 single crochets, again decrease stitch. Insert the hook on front loop alone. And next stitch, insert the hook on the both the loop. Now yarn over, pull the yarn through all the loops. Now one stitch. That's all. We got our invisible decrease. Like this we are going to do invisible decrease and one single crochet in next 4 stitches in this round 12. Totally we need 30 single crochets in this round. We completed this round. Look at this invisible decrease. It came very nicely. Now next round, round 13. Here one single crochet in next 3 stitches. After single crochet, one decrease. After decrease, one single crochet in next 3 stitches. Again one decrease. Like this we are going to continue. In this round, we need 24 single crochets at the end of this round. After this round, we are going to continue our round 14. One single crochet next to 2 stitches. After that, one decrease. Again one single crochet in next two stitches. Again decrease. Like that we are going to repeat. In this round we need 18 single crochets. After completing this, now we are going to fill ball. Just spread the stuffing nicely. Place it inside the ball evenly. Like this. Then only the ball look even outer. Afterwards spread the filling evenly inside the ball without any crumbling as shown in video. You can also use the pen hook backside to push the filling inside. Look at my video how I am filling it. Check the amigurumi with your finger. If you miss filling somewhere in that area, again you fill it. Press and check and each and every corner of your amigurumi. After completing the filling, the next round 15, one single crochet in next stitch. And one decrease. After decrease, one single crochet. Again decrease. Like this we are going to continue. In this round we need 12 single crochets. If you are beginner, it will be little hard to hold the amigurumi in this stage after filling. After completing this round, again check the filling. If missing some place, again fill that area and fill your amigurumi nicely and evenly in each and every side. After completing our filling, now we are going to do last round. Here we are going to do decrease stitch all over this round. Finally we will get 6 single crochets in this round. Only decreased stitch we are going to do in this round. After completing this, we are going to fasten off one chain, leave some yarn, cut, pull this chain downwards. That's all. Now we are going to save the yarn in each and every single crochets like this. Follow my video and check every single detail carefully. Secure this yarn as shown in this video. That's all friends. We learned to make amigurumi ball video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. If you have any kind of doubt, please comment down below. Thank you for watching.